blistery conditions here in Lahore as Babar Azam walks in. Played a lovely hand the other night. And if he can strike them consistently, he could be a force to reckon with. In no time, he's got the class and the finesse. All he has to do is to now just mold into that role of number 3 as we have another look at that now. Was there a chance of that ball pitching outside the leg stump? So that's the only query that the umpire had to answer, otherwise he was plumb in front.
It's difficult to tell, but if you are in doubt, as an umpire, benefit of doubt goes to the batsman. Look at this, he was disappointed there. And Babar Azam he came through a proper system under 19, then A team, and then of course the Pakistan side. He captained the under 19 as well, I remember, in 2010 in New Zealand.